Narcissists present altered personalities on MDMA, confusing their victims. The loving persona on MDMA contrasts with their sober cruelty. This behavior serves as an emotional roller coaster for the victim. Victims often cling to the loving persona, overlooking the cruel side. Narcissist's duality makes victims question their own reality. The split personality is a deliberate attempt to manipulate senses. MDMA-induced kindness is a mask to keep victims wanting. Recognizing this pattern helps victims break free from the cycle. Understand that the MDMA personality is not the real person. Victims may feel guilty for confronting the sober cruelty. Escape is possible by detecting these manipulative tactics early. Awareness is crucial to differentiate between the two personalities. Watch for consistent patterns in behavior, not isolated incidents. Seek support from friends, counselors, or support groups. Educate others about recognizing narcissistic traits and behaviors. Trust your instincts when something doesn't feel right. Remain wary of sudden personality changes with substance use. Maintain personal boundaries to protect emotional health. Do not internalize the blame for the narcissist's behavior. Document interactions to understand the pattern of abuse. Distance from the narcissist can provide clarity and strength. Remember, their kindness on MDMA is not reality. Focus on consistent behaviors over time, not temporary changes. Building awareness can illuminate the truth of their dual nature. Finding perspective helps break the cycle of abuse. Educate yourself about narcissistic abuse and recovery. Share experiences to help others recognize and escape this cycle. Let others know they are not alone in facing this situation. Promote understanding of how MDMA can mask true intentions. Narcissists' dual faces serve to manipulate and control victims. Advocate for self-awareness and understanding to escape manipulation.